it's Abby in the garage, and today I have Pat Johnson with me from Rugged Ridge to talk about the Armis soft folding truck bed cover. So tell us a little bit about this particular cover.
This is our soft folding cover, and it's a great solution to keep all the elements out of the bed. It's also a very inexpensive solution. So if somebody's looking for a quick way to get into a bed cover, this is a great one. Easy to install, also easy to uninstall, takes less than a half an hour. And if you want to have the use of the entire bed, this is a great piece. The nice thing about this is it has a very factory-looking soft top material on the top, which is uniquely different to our brand. So this is a piece that will match the factory soft top on the vehicle and has a true Jeep look about it.
Yeah, so it's got a really good style and accessibility. So when we're looking at this, what's the warranty for this?
This, like all of our other Rugged Ridge products, has a minimum 5-year warranty on it.
So Pat, let's take a look at how this works.
Yep, this is a very secure top. It secures with the tailgate, so it can't be opened without the tailgate being open. Once you do have it open, simple clamp jaws inside here, and these clamp jaws nest inside the rail on the bed. Try to fold it open. Has 2 straps, one on each side, to secure into the buckles on the end. And in this fashion, it can be driven in this open position once it's secured.
Yeah, so overall, really easy to fold and kind of get access to. So when we're looking at the installation, wouldn't take very long, not very difficult.
Yep, this is an installation difficulty of 1. So it can be done with pretty much simple hand tools by anybody. It takes just a few minutes. Can be just as easily deinstalled if you need access to the entire bed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Armis soft folding truck bed cover from Rugged Ridge. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description for product information and numbers, as well as a dealer locator link where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the installation or purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love it, click the bell icon to never miss when we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.